attimo in pausa, sono per i piloti e soprattutto per i commissari di gara. Via! Ecco il partito velocissimo, Andrea Finelli seguito da Gabriele Girazzoli e subito dopo Stefano Zoffoli.
It was a Pasquini Boxel P488 that originated from the ingenious creativity of Paolo Pasquini, who for all of his life had the foresight of a form of transportation fit for man, designing ideas that became projects, and some of which he was able to produce.
A true inventor in the real sense of the word.
Inventor, artisan, artist, Paolo Pasquini is difficult to define. That day, as many others, he gave a lesson to the big automakers. A poetic character. I'd almost go as far as saying he was a kind of a real gyro gear loose. The P488 derived from a piece of the Boxel, the first original electric vehicle homologated in Italy after World War II. It was his idea for the transportation of merchandise or people in our urban centers. I looked at the Boxel and said, "Oh, these guys have made an incredible thing." Absolutely, the most modern and adapt means towards the development of electric transportation. Within the city walls, there's no other vehicle quite like it. A volcano in perennial eruption, he directed his attention to other necessities, imagining with each of his creations a more simple and functional life. The car industry is one of the most conservative and speculative. Transport has been totally left out of any energy plan at every level, from national to international. The recent data released by Lega Ambiente regarding the rise in air pollution levels in 2012 are quite frightening. His creations were detached from today's debatable mechanisms, and after being accepted, they were soon forgotten. The combustion engine just doesn't make sense anymore in an urban context. I'll give it another 4 or 5 years. I don't care about all this talk of 90, 100, or 120 grams of CO2 per kilometer. Forget them, because I want 0 CO2 per kilometer. Stubbornly, Paolo Pasquini, even up to his very last days, imagined and projected ingenious solutions with 0 emissions. His testament obliges us to ponder, to create a mobilization fit for modern man, in equilibrium with our ambient.